The ruling came just hours after activist Okia Omtata filed a case at the High Court challenging the government's decision to switch off the 3 major television stations. In the petition, Omtata argued that the shutdown was illegal and that there was no provision in law to support it. High Court Judge Chacha Mwita ordered the government to restore broadcasting signals to all the TV stations which had been turned off until the matter is heard and determined on the 14th of February. But despite the order, the screens remained blank as the government turned deaf ears to the order. This even as Royal Media Services and Africa Digital Networks also moved to court seeking to stop the government from interfering with the broadcast transmitters in Limuru and all sites across the country. In the petition, which lists the Attorney General, the ICT and Interior Cabinet Secretaries, the Inspector General of Police, the Communications Authority and the government as defendants, RMS and Africa Digital Network seek orders to have the shutdown lifted, stopping the government from entering or being on the company's broadcasting premises in Limuru. Through lawyer Gibson Kamau Courier, Royal Media Services claims that the government has greatly damaged its broadcasting business, causing it to breach contracts entered into with its clients, while at the same time denying 80% of total TV viewers from enjoying their favorite programs on Citizen Television, Inooro TV, NTV and KTN. Royal Media Services now wants a permanent injunction granted, barring the government from interfering with broadcasting freedoms, while also seeking compensation for general and exemplary damages. It also wants the defendants to shoulder the cost of the petition. The matter will be heard on Friday morning.
I'm seeking 15 orders, but for today I was only seeking 7. And these are the ones I'll be pursuing tomorrow.
This coming on the 3rd day of the crackdown, which saw a section of journalists spend the night in their offices for fear of arrest. On Wednesday night, journalists at Nation Media Group stayed up waiting for the unknown. This after reports emerged that there were police officers waiting outside Nation Centre to arrest 3 journalists. Editors Guild Chairman and Nation Broadcast Division General Manager Linus Kaikai, NTV Technology Editor and Anchor Larry Mado, and Senior Anchor Ken Mijungu, as the government cracked down on the media and various individuals a day after NASA leader Raila Odinga was sworn in as the People's President. Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i had announced on Wednesday that the government was investigating those believed to have participated in furthering Tuesday's events. Civil society groups urged authorities to stop intimidating the mass media and to respect the rights of Kenyans to free press.
We have to be very clear that the actions that have been taken to take 3 of our biggest news houses off the air is not only unconstitutionally, but it is a threat to our democracy. It must be condemned and they must be reinstated immediately.
Switching off the TV stations is an economic sabotage. It has a big economic cost to the media houses and to investors.
Nation Media Editor-in-Chief Tom Shindi also condemned the move to shut down the television stations, adding that the media houses have incurred massive losses. The 3 journalists Kaikai, Mado and Mijungu later moved to court seeking to block their arrest and prosecution. Wilkisa Nyabwa, Citizen TV.